Hi, it's Claire from EventChain, bringing you up to date on the upcoming blockchain and crypto events from around the world. In this episode, we check out exciting conferences in the USA, Canada, and Bahrain. On June 23rd in San Francisco, California, AChain presents a NAC 3 Bitcoin and Blockchain Conference. This one-day conference will focus on investments, workshops, networking within the industry, and some of the biggest announcements in blockchain. Speakers will include Carter Thomas, founder of Coin Mastery, Rob Paone, host of Crypto Bobby, Giordany Orellana, blockchain security expert at Exodus, as well as speakers from Crypto Lark, Innovator Fund, Splash Factory, Huffington Post, and Rubicon Venture Capital. On June 25th in Palo Alta, California, the F50 Synergy Blockchain Summit 2018 will feature over 50 global leaders from the top law firms, CPAs, and VCs and investment ecosystem, along with extraordinary blockchain companies and 400 plus attendees from venture capital and global investment communities, including select VC executive, influential long-term investors, corporate ventures, and corporate executives and asset management companies. Key speakers for this event are Keith Terr, Executive Chairman at Accelerated Digital Ventures and co-founder of TechCrunch, Samuel M. Smith, PhD and founder of Reputation AI Spoke with Consensus, Rhys Jones, biophysicist and associate partner of Singularity University. On July 10th and 9th, Oleum Capital and the Palace Theatre in Calgary, Canada will host the Bitcoin Rodeo. This is a two-day introductory conference that will cover a wide variety of topics, including blockchain technology, Bitcoin and Ethereum, ICOs, mining token trading, legalities, investing, and much more. Some of the speakers include Dave Bradley, founder and CIO of Oleum Capital, Dr. Safadine Amas, author of The Bitcoin Standard, Nav Dahouni, President and CEO of Imagine AI, and our very own Ashton Addison, CEO of EventChain and Smart Tickets. And on the other side of the globe, in Manama, Bahrain, there will be a World Blockchain Conference July 29th and 30th. The two-day summit is an educative platform made up of both legal and international case study presentations, highly interactive panel discussions, and networking sessions. The main goal of this forum is to create an accessible and a much more diverse, poly-oriented platform where business and government leaders can learn how blockchain can impact their organizations. Speakers for this event include Dr. Simon Galpin, Managing Director of the Economic Development Board of Bahrain, Eyal Oster, President of Mobile Bridge and Momentum, Hoda A.L. Zakimi, Director of Center for Cybersecurity of the United Emirates. Please check out this description below for links to these conferences, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exciting news and events. As always, we look forward to hearing from you, so please feel free to reach out to us on our social media channels.